This is where things get crazy. The Aventador is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that revs to over 8,500 RPM. No turbocharger, no electric motors, only raw combustion. That is not just rare, but practically extinct in 2025. Lamborghini made a decision. If this is the last V12, it will go out with a bang. The stats speak for themselves. 780 horsepower. From 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds. And a peak speed of 221 miles per hour. This is not a supercar. This is a rocket in a fitted suit. But it's not just about speed. The sound is what grips your chest and refuses to let go. When it starts up, it snarls like a caged beast. When you hit the gas, it screams as if it is being pursued by lightning.